Hi everyone, today we will show you how to check SATA cables if it's connected properly with the motherboard and the hard drive. So if you see this SATA cable, it have two faces. One connect on motherboard and one goes to the hard drive or SSD if you have in the PC. So we have a 7 CIT case over here, and in this case we have a SSD and a hard drive, and we believe in this PC is not picking up the hard drive or is not going to the Windows. So today we will show you how to check SATA cables if it's in properly with this PC. So we have a Phillips screwdriver. So we're gonna open this four screws. Okay, I will remove this panel. So in this particular board, the board we have been connected. So you can see we connected two SATA cables. Like I said, this PC have one hard drive and one SSD. So one is for the hard drive and one is for the SSD. So we going to open the back panel of this PC. So this back panel is holding with the two thumb screws. So again, you can use this screwdriver to open the screws. To open this panel, you just need to pull back and it will come off. Okay, now you can see the back side of this PC. So if you can remove these cables, so in this PC there is hard drive which is connected on top of the PC, and one on the bottom. You can see we connected the SSD. Sometime we connect the hard drive on the bottom and SSD on the top. So right now what we are going to do, if you check it closely, so with the hard drive there's the SATA cables connected, and this is a multicolor power cable. So we want what we want, like if you want to check it, so first pull this power cable out and push it back in, and do exactly the same. So take the SATA cable out. So this is the SATA cable, and I'm going to securely push it back in to make sure is it fitted in properly. And I will do exactly the same with the SSD. So I will take this power cable out with the SSD. So the power cable is out, and you can see there's a solid red SATA cables is connected. I will take this out as well. Once it's out, you can see this SATA cable. I'm going to put the SATA cable in and make sure I can hear the click sound and it's fitted in properly. And now I will going to connect this power cable. Okay, so I can see now the power cable and SATA cable, they both are securely in. I will do exactly the same on motherboard. So I will remove this cable. You just need to pull these cables, and sometimes they have a clips, so you need to make sure like you pushing the clips to take them out. So this is the one out and another one out. They both are the SATA cables. So I'm going to use these ports again to put them in to make sure they are fitted in. I will push it into the motherboard securely, and I will do exactly the same. So right now I believe I connected all these SATA cables properly on motherboard and the hard drive and SSD. I am going to connect the power cable to the computer, and I'm going to, because this have a Lenovo motherboard, so I will take it to the BIOS and I will see if it's picking up the SSD and the hard drive. So I will turn the PC on, and from the keyboard I need to press F1. Okay, now you can see you are on this screen. I'll press escape. If I click system summary, you can see it says SATA 0 is the hard drive SSD, which is 128 GB, and SATA 2 we have connected the hard drive of 500 GB hard drives. So now we know the computer is picked up the SSD and a hard drives, so it should work. So to come out from the BIOS, you can press F10, save, and press enter. Now the computer should go to the Windows. Yeah, there's the Windows sign. So that's how you check in the CIT 7 case if the SATA cables are in properly and they are actually going to the Windows. If you're still having any problem, please contact us.